Replacing an old solar cover. Every few years, your solar cover will degrade to the point that it needs to be replaced. We simply cut the straps off the old cover and dispose of it. Lay out your new cover on the pool, bubble side down. Once the cover is flat on the pool, you can start replacing your straps. On an existing system, you can copy the same length that your old straps were. Then simply switch out the straps by removing the screw holding the old one and then using the same screw to attach the new strapping. Once all the straps are replaced, you can start attaching the cover using grommets. Rockies recommends folding the cover over so that your grommets are going through 2 layers of cover. This provides a stronger attachment and makes the cover less prone to ripping. For more information on attaching grommets, check out our grommet detail video. Once the new cover is attached, you can start your first roll. Rockies recommends having 2 people the first couple times you roll your cover up to help guide it on. This ensures you can get the cover on evenly. After the cover has been rolled up a few times, they develop a memory and will roll up the same way every time. For more information, visit www.rockies.ca. Make sure to follow us on your favorite social network.